Okay, this is first turn on. See, keypad's lit up. Only lights up underneath though, like from the top. It doesn't come through the keys or anything. But if you're looking at it from an angle in the dark, you'll be able to see the keys still. Starting Windows. Setup is updating. You got your wireless on. Come on, focus. Wireless on. Just waiting for this to start up. Yeah, I went into Currys to buy this, Currys Digital, and they didn't have it in stock. But they did a stock check for another store that was close by, PC World. Obviously, Currys and PC World are kind of merged into one now. Like the same store almost. So yeah, I had to walk about 10 minutes out of my way to go to PC World to collect this one. But I'd already purchased this from PC World. There's me. I already purchased this from Currys. So I'd already paid for it. I just had to basically go to PC World and collect it. It's good. I've not plugged it into the AC yet. Obviously, still it's got some battery life in it still. That's good. I was speculating on this though, because you've got the perspex bit here, and then obviously this is like plastic. But in the shop, this looked a little bit pink, because this is red, but this looks a bit like lighter, a little lighter red, and it looks a bit pinkish. But I think for me that's a little downside, but it still looks like a great computer. Here we go. Country or region, UK. I'm going to record this on my iPhone. English, UK, yep. Let's press next. Unique. Type in username, for example. Okay. Type in my username. Type in howitzer. Oh, type password. Can't let you guys see this. I'll let you have a little good view. Oh, I'll let you look at the trackpad for a minute. There we go. Microsoft software license terms, Windows 7 Home Premium Service Pack. Yep, I accept this. Yeah, we'll accept that as well. Okay, help protect your computer and improve Windows automatically. Yeah, use recommended. Time zone, we are London. All these different time zones, anything. Yes, automatically save. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Yep, my wireless network is called Monkey Shave. I named that. Okay, I got my security key. I'll just go get that. It's just over here. There's my TV. Bit crap, I don't know. Okay, so Can't let you guys see this again, so we'll have a look at the trackpad once again. Okay, my current location is home network. Why is it with these lines on the damn computer? I think it's because I'm recording on my iPhone, not on a proper camera. Windows is finalising your settings. Okay, well I think that's about it, guys. So I'm going to get using this and see how I get on with it. See ya.